obìnrin tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí ni wọ́n dáná sun ní ìgbà tí wọ́n ká ọmọ ọdún méje mọ́ ọn lọ́wọ́ nínú báàgì tí ó gbé dání ní ìpínlẹ̀ Delta State. Ọjọ́ 24 oṣù kẹsàn-án ọdún tá a wà nínú ẹ̀ yìí 2025 wọ́n rí obìnrin yìí tí ó fa báàgì ńlá kan dání pẹ̀lú ọwọ́ kan tí ó sì fi ọwọ́ kejì gbé bíbélì dání ní ìlú kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní Agbaro ní Ughelli North Local Government ní ìpínlẹ̀ Delta. Àwọn tí wọ́n fura sí arábìnrin yìí pẹ̀lú bí ó ṣe gbé báàgì yìí kẹ̀tíkẹ̀tí báyìí ni wọ́n ṣe súnmọ́ láti béèrè wípé kí ni nǹkan tí ó ń gbé kẹ̀tíkẹ̀tí nínú báàgì ọwọ́ rẹ̀. Ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti rí wípé ara rẹ̀ ń gbọ̀n léyìí tí ó mú ìfura dání. Báyìí ni wọ́n ṣe já báàgì ọwọ́ rẹ̀ gbà. Ìgbà tí wọ́n tú báàgì ọwọ́ rẹ̀ wò, ọmọ ọdún méje ni wọ́n bá nínú báàgì ọ̀hún. Ọmọkùnrin ọmọ ọdún méje tí wọ́n jí gbé àti ìyá rẹ̀ ni ẹ̀ ń wò lójú àwòrán yìí tí àwọn ènìyàn ń bá wọn yọ̀, tí wọ́n ń bá wọn dunnú, tí wọ́n kí ìyá náà kú oríire látàrí wípé àìmọye ọmọ ni ó ti sọnù ní ìlú náà tó jẹ́ wípé wọn ò rí wọn mọ́ di òní. Báyìí ni àwọn obìnrin ìlú náà ṣe máa ń ṣe ìwọ́de ní gbogbo ìgbàkúgbà tí wọ́n bá ti sọ ọmọ nù àbí tí wọ́n bá ti jí wọn gbé. Kódà ìwé ìròyìn kan ó sọ síta, ó ní ọmọ tí wọ́n ti jí gbé nínú ọdún tá a wà nínú ẹ̀ yìí ní ìlú náà ó ti tó 40 tí í ṣe 40. Àìmọye ìwọ́de òun ni àwọn ará ìlú yìí ti ṣe ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó yẹ pé àìmọye ọmọ tó bá ti jí gbé àlọ lásán ni wọ́n rí, wọn ò ní rí àbọ̀ rẹ̀. Kódà ọ̀kan lára àwọn tí ó ń ṣe ìwọ́de ọ̀hún fi ẹ̀sùn kan àwọn agbófinró agbègbè náà wípé tí àwọn bá ti lọ síbẹ̀ láti lọ sọ fún wọn wípé tó wọ́n tún ti jí àwọn ní ọmọ gbé. Báyìí ni àwọn agbófinró kan wá sọ pé kí àwọn lọ mú 100,000 naira wá. Kì í ṣe ẹgbẹ̀rún lọ́nà ọgọ́rùn-ún. Eléyìí ó tún ní agbára o. Àwòrán kan lára àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n wá tí wọn ò rí lẹ́rìí tí wọ́n fi sí ilẹ̀ẹ́lẹ̀ tí gbogbo wọn tí wọ́n já ewé dání tí wọ́n ṣe ìwọ́de látàrí wípé ó ti di gbogbo ìgbà, ó ti di lemọ́lemọ́ ní ìlú náà tó jẹ́ wípé ibi tí wọ́n bá ti bá ẹnìkan kẹ́dùn lónìí ìjọ́ kejì wọ́n á tún ní ọmọ kan tún ti nù ní àdúgbò míì ní ìlú kan yìí. Òun lẹ ṣe rí àwọn abiyamọ tí wọ́n fọ́n síta tí wọ́n ṣe gídígbò a ò ní gbà o. Báyìí ni wọ́n jó lọ sí ilé ọba. Ẹ gbọ́ látẹnu ìyá yìí, ìyá arúgbó pẹ̀lú ẹ̀sipírẹ́ǹsì àti ìrírí tí wọ́n ti rí lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú náà. Kí ẹ dẹ̀ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́ ẹ sọ kí ni èròǹgbà yín. Ọmọ wa ò ní sọnù, wọn ò ní jí ọmọ wa gbé. Ṣé àmì kò share rẹ̀? Bá mi wo fídíò ìdópin kó lè understand ntí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú náà.
As from 10 years down, they lost. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 3, not be 4, not be 5. As the things they continue like that, it can't make us the mothers, because we get a mothers meeting with the aware of the town. We get meeting. So as we dey hear this cry every day, the thing called dey very pain to we the mothers. So that's why all of us come gather ourselves. Even our people, we not go meet them before we cry this our cry. We only send message to our PG. Our PG not dey house. We just tell people when follow am make dem tell us say see wetin we dey do when we dance go our town hall. We still cry go meet am, but we no meet am for house. We cry go palace, we no meet our king. So we begin dey cry for inside the town. That's why we cry say make government help us. Say this thing when dey happen for Agbaro, so we never see this kind thing once. This thing too much. Our children begin dey lost, even though say na goat or fowl, the owner go find am. If you no see am, you go begin dey panic, dey waka all about, dey swear, talk less of say human being. So now we begin cry that day.
This thing when they happen, so if you put time frame when the thing they happen for Agbaro, so
hey, now but since my job put and say na from this March come, I this thing they happen so. That's why the thing even fear us, because one go cry today, then they find that one they never see am. They break another one. One are twins. When im mama dey cook for kitchen, just carry something go kitchen say ma go put fish for my soup. Before e turn back, pikin, the two pikin when they pray for domot like this, before the woman turn back, they don carry one comot, you no see am again.
okay.
My name is Lucky. Here guys, my son, since on 29 of this May, came for school around 1 o'clock, maybe around 12, na KG3. Around 1 o'clock, after mother shove in, go play around the environment. Now from there, I see my pikin. From that day to today now, today is Sunday, which is making 10 days now, I never see my pikin. And money when I don't wait concern this issue, don't pass 100,000, I never see my pikin. My wife, e no dey sound, me sef I no dey sound. People shop say I no fit dey shop now, unless I see my pikin. Before I fit get us of mind.
Who you spend the money for?
As this don happen so, I dey waka go here, native church here and here to make sure say I fit get my pikin.
How old is your son?
My son is 6 years.
Last week Friday, my pikin come go school. I dey house, I no go anywhere. I sit down for house, come from school around 12. Na kg na e dey. When e close come, I come do food. Meat I come eat. With that one wey dey there, we bitiri come eat the food. I dey house, we come enter outside. Small time I come dey. Since when you go pray, I no dey see am when run come. If you go pray, if you dey hungry for water, you go come run come as come drink water. I come talk say since when you comot so you never come drink water, ma go check where you for dey pray whether e dey there. Now come go check whether the age dey pray. Now come reach there. I reach there, I see there. The age there, they pray for there. I come ask them, say, where Eriga no reach here. They come tell me, say, since when they close for school, so you never see Eriga. And I never see her. They say, now you they pray for here. Now come they start to final. Read today, so I never see her. Today night be 10 days now. And last week Friday, 93 happen. I never see Eriga.
As this don happen so, whether according to people mad say whether I reach 20, 30, na my own now no. As the thing pay me that night around 10 o'clock, that I go police station say I thief my pikin. Police come told me say they go see am. I say okay, now we dey till today now, they go see am.
The community members hope that the action taken on the alleged child abductor would serve as a warning to others involved in the trade. Do you think it was justifiable for the angry mobs to take matters into their own hands? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel or page for more true crime stories.
Kí ni ìwọ rí sí bí wọ́n ṣe dáná sun arábìnrin tí wọ́n ká ọmọ tí ó jí gbé mọ́ lọ́wọ́? Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé ó tako òfin àti ìlànà orílẹ̀-èdè yìí kéèyàn ṣe ìdájọ́ lọ́wọ́ ara rẹ̀. Bá mi sọ ohun tó rí sí, fọ́lọ̀ mi kó share fídíò yìí.